Welcome to 123 Main Street, a brand new 2-bed, 2-bath townhome. It's 1,200 square feet of modern design done right. The kitchen is sleek and stunning. White marble tile, bold black trim, all built to impress. The living room opens up beautifully, vaulted ceilings, east-facing patio doors, bright and airy all day long. The staircase is a real statement piece. Wood grain paneling and soft LED underlighting. Every detail is intentional. Upstairs, a private balcony and a spacious master bedroom awaits. Your own personal retreat. 123 Main Street. Call Elevation Realty Group at 402-555-0187. You won't want to miss this one.